Maverick to the rescue again. This time, to answer the question, how come the World Under-20 double sprint champion, Brianna Williams, and her handlers deem it fit or necessary for her to compete at the Carifta Trials and the Carifta Games, while some people, including the Maverick, are arguing that our elite young athletes, such as Kevona Davis and Christopher Taylor, etc., don't need to go to Carifta? Why is Brianna Williams the bigger and more advanced star on her way to Carifta? How the Maverick play? Now, first and foremost, Brianna Williams is not coming out of a high school season where she ran at Gibson Relays and Central Champs and Digicel Grand Prix and then 5 days of physical and psychological champs warfare. Brianna Williams never had to run 3 rounds of the 100 and 3 rounds of the 200 and then sprint relays. Brianna Williams never had to peak mentally and physically in February and March and then try to peak again in June. Brianna Williams does not have the amount of grueling, competitive champs miles on her clock as these champs chasing elite Jamaican athletes. How many races Brianna Williams run before Carifta Trials? 1. Maybe 2. So understandably, she needed the blowout at the Carifta Trials and will need the run-out at the Carifta Games as part of her wider preparation to peak for the National Senior Trials in June. We don't understand. Hold on. We don't have no more brighter and more intelligent questions to ask. Ask some good questions.